Quick family favorite protein Pilchard's Mayo lunch on the go. In order for us to make this perfect Pilchard's Mayo pita pocket, you'll need to follow the next step. You're going to start off with your Pilchards. I'm using Pilchards in tomato sauce, and then you're just going to separate them from the tomato sauce. And you're welcome to use the tomato sauce later on in a pasta dish or anything like that. Then you're just going to debone the Pilchards, and then you're going to be mincing them into smaller pieces. Next, you're going to be adding your favorite mayonnaise, and then you're just going to give that a quick mix until everything is nice and evenly combined. Next, I'm going to be cutting my pita bread, which I have lightly toasted, and opening a pocket in the middle. I'm going to be spreading some cream cheese on that, and then I will then start stuffing it with my favorite lettuce or salad greens. Then you're going to pour in your Pilchard's mayo mixture, and that is it. It's a quick, simple, and easy